But the only thing that you really can do is continually run experiments. Back in the day, people never thought about funnels and upsells and downsells. People never thought about user onboarding. People never thought about A/B testing. There's always going to be something new that you can test. Very few people are still leveraging voice commerce, even though it's massive. It's just not competitive. It's a big, wide open ocean. The point I'm trying to make is you can do well. You just have to experiment. And most people are not willing to experiment. But if you experiment, yes, you're going to struggle. You're going to find a lot of failures, but every once in a while, you'll find the test that just crushes it and it changes everything for you.
Yeah, I mean, here's how I look at it. I think it's actually good that marketing is getting harder, because when things are hard, it's a blue ocean and most people don't want to go there. And so I think it starts to eliminate a lot of brands that shouldn't have been able to become great companies, right? You see a lot of people just launch on the backbone of Facebook and Google, and that was just it.